If you've lost the ability to send money on Venmo, it's important to understand the steps to restore your sending privileges. Follow this guide to regain access. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Venmo account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status. Sometimes, sending privileges are restricted due to verification issues or policy violations. Step 2. Verify your identity. If prompted, complete the identity verification process. This may involve providing personal information or uploading identification documents. Ensure that all information matches your official documents. Step 3. Review your payment methods. Go to your account settings and review your linked payment methods. Make sure that your bank account or card is valid and has sufficient funds. If necessary, update or add a new payment method. Step 4. Resolve any outstanding issues. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If your sending privileges are still restricted after completing the previous steps, reach out to Venmo customer support. Provide them with details about your account and the issues you are facing for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Venmo. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from Venmo's support team.